Hello kids, welcome to Fun Learning. Hope you are healthy, happy and safe. Today we will learn about sounds. Doesn't that sound fun? I want to tell you a story. Settle down fast and listen to me carefully. One day, Lila went for lunch to her friend's home. Her friend's home was in Srinagar, near Nishad Garden. In a lunch, Lila ate different varieties. She's fond of lemon and she enjoyed lemon with salad. After finishing her lunch, Lila went to play with her friend. They decided to play on roof of the house. So they climbed on ladder and reached on the roof of the house. From the roof of the house, they saw big trees full of leaves and a lake with blue water. On one side of the park, lamb was grazing. Lila was happy to see this scenery from the roof of the house. So kids, you learned names of different pictures like lemon, lamp, ladder, leaves and lake. Besides these pictures, we have few more pictures related to sound l, like line, lock, lips, and lamp. Now, can you tell me what is the first sound of these pictures? Yes, it is L. It is L. Here you can see capital L and small l, and the sound of L is L. Sound of L is L. Laugh. Ha, ha, ha. Laughing makes us healthy. Wah, wah, wah. Laugh. Ha, ha, ha. Laughing makes us healthy. Wah, wah, wah. Laugh. Ha, ha, ha. Laughing makes us healthy. Wah, wah, wah. With this, we completed the fun activity of knowing phonetics. I hope you have fun. Links of other videos are given in description box. Open them and learn with fun. Please do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more amazing learning videos. Bye bye. Have a great day.